Hello everyone, my name is Camila. I'm glad you came to my channel. I hope you find it interesting. I'll start with an entity called the Pet Eater by artist Adam Woodsmith. For this job I will need colored plasticine, aluminum wire and foil. Well, I'll tell you a little about the creation that I mold. The Pet Eater is a mysterious creature that wanders at night, accompanied by a little boy. The monster is a red eater. Instead of skin it has fleshy convolutions. And there is no head at all. The monster has a huge black mouth right from the neck, along the edges of which there are small black eyes. In the very mouth of the monster there are 2 rows of crooked and terrible teeth. By the way, the artist himself, Adam Woodsmith, on his social networks claims that the monster still has 6 long legs. There is a theory that the Pet Eater is an infected dog, whose owner is the very little boy we see in the picture. The boy himself is sure that nothing unusual is happening. He thinks that the same kind and calm dog is running next to him on a leash and does not at all notice the monstrous changes of his pet. The boy says that his dog loves to chew something, but he forbids the dog to do it. The owner himself does not even suspect about the transformation of the dog into a monster, since this creature has some kind of influence on him. Currently, the boy and his pet were seen on the outskirts of the city and in the forest. They walk at night and the monstrous creature devours everything that comes in its way, and the boy does not notice anything and, as if enchanted, follows your home monster. And so the monster is ready, but that's not all, because this pet has an owner, whom I am quickly blinding now. This is how the figure of a boy looks like, and now I will finish the leash and see how the overall picture will look like with his pet. Well, now everything is ready. Can be estimated, and if you have watched this moment, write the word pet.